Hello and welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Guys, we're back out on the farm this time. We're working on this 2009 to 2013 Mazda 3. Specifically, this is the hatchback, but the product what we're changing today, the boot button, the little button you press on your boot to get in, it's going to be the same sort of setup, the sedan and the hatchback. A few little bits and pieces will be different, but of course I'll run you through that whole setup as we go. Guys, don't forget, if you do need this part, we have them available here at Parts Factory. Just head on to click on the title of the video. The description of the video will pop down. The link will be in it. Buy it, get it on its way to you, then use this video, install it into the car yourself, save yourself some money, guys. That's what we're all about here at Parts Factory. Consider that a mechanic would charge you upwards of $150 for this part genuine, and then charge you half an hour's labor. Guys, you can see that it's gonna be a 200 plus job. Get this, it's $53.30. Put it in yourself, save yourself 150 bucks. And once you've done it, guys, if you can, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I don't have to tell you twice why that helps us out here at Parts Factory. Alrighty guys, let's jump into it. Alrighty guys, so if your boot button has stopped working, you might not be able to open your boot unless you've got the key, of course, but if your remote's flat, the easiest way to do it, guys, is pop down that back seat in there, come through, and you'll notice a little white, it's like a lever. You can just grab that lever, pop this little cap off, grab that lever, just pop it to the side, and the tailgate will pop up. Once it pops up, then you can see we can access the button itself just here. Alrighty, guys, so to get to the button, you have to come in from this side. So what we do is see these little plastic trim clip bits. You just use a flathead, you're popping them out one at a time. To do that, you pop that side and then that side, and the little clip will come out. Now, you want to try and keep them safe, because obviously we are going to be reusing them. But if you do lose them, just jump on the net, buy a pack of 10 off eBay for $1. I'll deliver it to you for free. Sometimes people like doing that anyway, guys. Okay, so once you've got those two bottom ones out, we'll have another look around. Make sure the tailgate doesn't drop onto your head. But other than that, it should just pop off. And we'll come around this side, give it a nice pull. Usually they are like pressure clips. Yep, so there's one back here, so you can grab that piece like that and just give it a nice pull. Where's the last one? Yep. You've got one Phillips head up in this grabs handle. So just grab that Phillips head out. Turning. Try and capture that Phillips head in your hand. Remember, you want to keep all these little bits and pieces. Now, you should just be able to grab this entire piece like this, separating it from over there. So as you can see, you just pull down these little plastic trims, and then the whole trim will pop off. And you can just put this to the side, because now, as you can imagine, you can put your hand through, you can access that plug. Alrighty, so as you can see, now that we've removed this trim piece, you can access inside the boot lid. Because if you have a look at this switch, you see how it's all perished like that? You can't just lever up on this side and remove it. You've got to come in through the back. And see that little silver tab? Let's see if we can do it by hand. What's this? Bang! Look at that. Put that out of the way like so. And then, where are we? Find this plug. You see how it's over here like this? You can just press down, pop out like that, and then come around this side. You should be, look at that, it's all falling apart. What a great video demonstrating what happens to these buttons. Now, it's not always necessarily the plastic falling away like that. It can also be the actual button itself not working. Usually that would be the case. You can just pop that through, and what we'll do is I'll show you the one that we've got here at Parts Factory. Alrighty guys, so I've just put it into the hole, as you can see, but I did notice that instead of the plug being on this side now, it needs to be brought around to the other side. So I've already done it. So if you remember, it used to be this plug is on this side, but just take it over to the other side and just put it back into that hole like that. And it will just sit there nicely, like so. And then yeah, just put it back into this here, and then put your trim piece back on, straight up into that hole, and you can just go like that. And that way, the button's in, looking nice, ready to go. Alrighty guys, so once you've got your new boot button in, it's time to put your trim piece back on. Don't forget, you got to kind of like tuck it in underneath the little A-pillar trim pieces, lining it up, etc, etc. Same thing on this side, lining it up like so, and then yeah, you just bring it back up into place. You got these large clips at the back over here, pop them in like so, pop that one in like that, and then the same thing over here. Straight up, popping it into place. It's all just clips, guys. Don't forget you got these ones along the top, which kind of help it like stay in as well. Yellow over here. See if you can kind of look up in there, and you'll look through there, and you can line those yellow ones up. And you can put these covers on and whatnot. Bring it all back up to OEM, like so. And you got that Phillips head in there, and that would be job complete, guys. How simple is that? Now imagine, guys, getting charged half an hour's labor to do a job like that. Alrighty guys, I hope everything's gone nice and smooth. Changing out the boot button on your Mazda 3 BL. As you can see, they are a fairly straightforward job, guys. It's super easy, in and out in about 10 minutes. Alrighty guys, don't forget, if you can, give the video a thumbs up, sub to the channel. You never know when you might need this YouTube channel again as a little tool in your tool belt. But other than that, guys, my name's Lucas. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.